Now that Roe v. Wade is overturned, abortions in Arizona are regulated by state law. ABC 15 data analyst Garrett Archer takes you inside the numbers on the impact on this decision in Arizona.
The state health department keeps abortion figures as part of the state's vital statistic page. The data we are looking at today is for 2009 to 2019, and while we're missing those last 2 years, it still gives us some idea of what the impact of the Dobbs decision will be. In this 10-year time frame, there have been 139,000 abortions performed in Arizona, after rising from 10,000 in 2009 to a peak of 14,400 in 2011. The number of abortions performed annually stayed around 13,000. And when we compare this with the fertility rate in Arizona, the abortion rate is significantly lower, but it's stable at just under 10 per 1,000 women of childbearing age. Fertility rates dropped between 2009 and 2019, but that phenomena is occurring in most states. As far as who will be impacted the most by any future abortion restrictions in Arizona, it's African American women at almost double the rate of Hispanic women. White non-Hispanic women, the most populous category, have an abortion rate of just over 7 per 1,000. Now, Arizona is sitting in legal gray area at the moment, but once the legislative session ends, in 90 days, a new law kicks in that restricts abortions after 15 weeks. It does remain to be seen if that law will be the law that governs abortions or a much older law, but in either case, 91% of abortions performed in Arizona are performed under 13 weeks. In fact, when you break this out even further, most abortions are performed under 6 weeks, while 3 and 4 occur before 9 weeks. Every subsequent week after that, abortions occur much less frequent. An important note to remember, this data reflects all abortions performed in the state regardless of circumstance. And lastly, a historic note. It is extremely rare for the Supreme Court to overturn precedent. There have been just north of 7,000 opinions issued by the court between 1946 and 2020, and only 177 of these are considered precedent altering. 2.5%. Overturning landmark decisions is even rarer. Only 16 before today have been overturned. Actually, it's 18 when you count today, according to the National Constitution Center. With a look inside the numbers, I'm Garrett Archer, ABC 15, Arizona.